In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. If you wanna manage location on the go on this OPPO, here's how I do it. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is now enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you see this pop-up, that means that you never turned off location before. If you want to turn it off now, select Close. If you are not in a hurry though, you can always go into Settings and scroll to access location section over here. Then use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!